Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung Jai Sakal Vipad, it is going now. Jai Sakal Vipad, Gai Bhakti Vinod, Jahan Ami Onam Gai. Radha Krishna Balo 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 Re Sabai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu speaking is to request everyone to chant Hare Krishna or Radha Krishna. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur said that when I chant Hare Krishna mantra, then all dangers go away. So this place, this material world, is a dangerous place. Padang jada vipada. Vipad means danger. And padang means every step. In the material world, you cannot expect very smooth, peaceful life. That is not possible. And the only remedy is to take shelter of the lotus feet of just Murari. Murari means Krishna. Samasita ji padapallavam plavam Mahatpadam punna jaso murari. Bhavam buddhi vassa padanga paranga padanga 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 jad vipadanga nati sham. So, there is always, if you stay in a very good boat, still because the platform is water, you cannot think that the boat is always very smooth and without any trouble. So material world is always full of troubles. So, if we keep ourselves in our standing and our standard, chanting Hare Krishna regularly, then the dangers will be over. Dangers, they are not also permanent. They come and go like the seasonal changes. Sometimes it is very hot, sometimes it is very cold. So Krishna has advised that agama paina nitya tag titikha sabhara. So don't be diverted from the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And don't be afraid of because there is some danger. Take shelter of Krishna's lotus feet, chant Hare Krishna mantra, and dangers will be over. But we should not create such position dangerous. It is already dangerous. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was also very cautious about spiritual life. Sanjasi alpo chidre vahu kari mane. Others may violate the laws and so many sinful activities they are doing. But nobody takes very serious care. But when a religious group or a sanjasi commits little offense, it is magnified 1,000 times. Therefore, we should be very careful not to make anything which may be magnified to the eyes of the public. Because we are preaching. And there is always demonic party who want to put us in difficulty. That is natural. Even Hiranyakasipu, being the father of Prahlad Maharaj, he was also putting him into difficulty. But if we remain sincere and go on chanting, these dangers will be over. Don't be afraid. Don't stop your regulative principles and regular activities, program. Go on with it. Depend on Krishna, and gradually everything will be all right. So, I think we shall this much today. Now it is time over. The duty should go to rest. We shall not detain. That's all. Jai Prabhupada. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.